Welcome everybody. Today we're going to tour the Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian Resort, the 2-bedroom lock-off, the 1-bedroom, and the studio. So here is the when you step into the 2-bedroom, you see this nice little leaf art and overview. I actually want to start with the studio. So this is a 2-bedroom lock-off, but it'll show you what a studio looks like and a 1-bedroom. So this portion of it is the studio part. That'll be part of a 2-bedroom lock-off. But if you just get a studio, you'll just have this with this door closed. So let's step through here. I like the overview. You got a full length mirror over here. And you got your closet and safe over here. And here is the bathroom. I really like the bathroom. This beautiful big walk-in shower. Fantastic. There's only one sink here, but that's fine. And this nice green backdrop color behind the mirror. Very nice. I love that color. Definitely gives me Polynesian Island vibes. And then we step here, the separate area for the toilet. And let's step back out. Okay, the studio. Let's step in. Beautiful. I love the booth that they have here with the table, and then a little area to put your stuff on, I guess, with a little cubby on below it. Nice little art backdrop. I believe a 65-inch television. Maybe 55. It doesn't say what the actual thing is yet. There's the pull-down bed with the queen bed. They're both queen size. And here's a counter with the, let's step in front of it. You got a sink there. Nice big area for like a tabletop area here. Double Keurig microwave. The cabinets down there. You got the dishwasher. And then a fridge on the left. But yeah, I mean, I like it. I wish there was more color, but still, it's nice. Here's the backdrop of the bed, the pull-down bed. Let's step in more. You know, it reminds me of Coronado Springs room a little. I like the lamps. And if you notice, there's recessed lighting, like up here on the ceiling. There's recessed lighting all around, which will give the room a nice glow all around. That's very nice. And then behind the bed, there's recessed lighting. You got the little table between the bed and the pull-down bed. By the way, the pull-down bed, when you pull it down, it will look like this, which is very nice, and nice art in the background there. You got the table in front. Let's walk in more. There's the TV. Big countertop there with the little seating underneath there. 3 drawers. You got a shell and a little photo frame up there. And this view is showing what it could look like for the 7 Seas, the preferred view side. Here's the bed and the drapery. You know, simple but nice, clean. I like it. I still, just from this, I don't think I'll like it more than the current studios. I think those with the split bathrooms and a little more color in those rooms, I like better. Okay, let's step into the 2-bedroom lock-off area here. Here's the overview. You got the table with the booth and the fixtures, the lighting. I really like all these lighting fixtures that are Polynesian themed. You got your countertop, your fridge, toaster, microwave oven, dishwasher, double Keurig. And here is the main living area. You take a peek into the king bedroom. And then you got the pull down little trundle bed there with the beautiful art. Very nice. You got the TV. You got a hidden Mickey over here in the middle with the table and the two little stools. Let's walk in more. You got the balcony. Nice lighting fixture there. Here's the art there. And then I really like how the couch is like an L-shaped, because take a look at this. When you open the bed, you still have that side couch also available. So there's more people that could technically sleep on there. And you got the art. Very nice, very nice. Yeah. Recessed lighting again all around here in the ceiling. There's the main bedroom. Walk into. King size bed, light fixtures, recessed lighting, carpet, big TV. You got the two table side on the either side of the bed. You got a closet there, drawers. There's a TV, plug by the wall, full length mirror. Here's the bathroom. You got the tub. Doesn't have jets though. And you got two sinks. There's one here. Again, I really like this green that they have here. And there's the other sink. I like this this tiki torch style thing on the side of the wall here. Very nice. And then over here you got the toilet in one room. And then you got the stand-up shower there. Here's the other mirror with the sink. Very nice, very nice. And let's go back up here. How many chairs we got here? 1, 2, 3, and a booth. Okay. All right, and then on over here we have we have the closet. Oh, it's a laundry, washing machine and dryer. And then here's the closet. Alright. I really like this bathroom. The colors here, very nice. You got a stand-up shower, toilet. Here's the sink with the light fixtures, very nice. Nice pattern in the shower. Leaves and stuff. And rainfall shower and all that, and handheld. Yeah, I mean, it's nice. I think you won't get it until you actually stay there, you know. But just from this virtual walkthrough and what I've seen of this, it's not as good to me. It seems like I will miss the regular villas area, you know, the standard long rooms. The studios. I usually stay studios, so but I mean, it's nice. It'll be fun to try. I am definitely going to try it in January. But another thing also I wanted to point out is I was looking at the prices. Oh, Duo Studios. They also have Duo Studios. I got to see if they have a virtual walkthrough of that. It's showing at $850. So I picked a date. It's December, close to Christmas. $854 for the Duo Studio. Okay, the standard deluxe studios, which is what I prefer. Hold on. Yeah, this is what it, I mean, look at all that color. You know, it's got much more color. Just from the photos, I mean, and this virtual walkthrough, it just seems like the Duo Studio, I mean, the regular studios is going to be bigger than the one in the tower, you know? It doesn't say the square footage on the new tower yet. But anyways, look at the price. So the deluxe studio, the classic studio, Polynesian, $11.38. And then if you go to the tower deluxe studio, also $11.38. So I expect the points to be the same to stay here, from the classic studios to these tower studios. And then you see like the preferred view, $13.82, which is also the same price as a lagoon view on the current studios. And then a theme park view, $15.57. So yeah, I'm not convinced. I think the real thing is going to be, the real difference, the feel, is when you're there and being in a tower. I think whatever that feeling gives you, that may sway you over. Just looking at the room, for me, versus the classic longhouses, the studio, it doesn't do it for me. But the feeling of being in the studio and then, you know, walking through the hallway, being in one building, going in the elevator, and then going down to the main lobby area and all that, and being in that area when you're actually staying there like that and you feel it, I think that's going to be the real judge of if I would prefer this over the classics. But right now, I'm planning to have a split stay between this and the classic studios, to see how I like it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour, and let me know what you think of these rooms. And thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.